Hi, here is a way where you can earn money online without even trading. The way you can earn with Deriv without trading is by becoming a partner. All right, by becoming a partner, what it really means is you'll be an affiliate. Through an affiliate, you can earn up to 45% of the trades that the people that will be joining under you would have earned. All right, so what happens with the Deriv partner program is once you sign up and people are trading under you and making profits, then you get either daily or monthly commissions. So as an introducing broker or as an IB, you get daily commissions. You'll be getting something like this. This is an example of the daily commissions that you'll be receiving, like $40 from this, $34 from this, and how much from this. Okay, so this is as an introducing broker. Then as an affiliate, you'll be getting your money at the end of each and every, at the 15th of the following month rather. All right, so let's get to know who can apply for the Deriv Partner Program. You can apply as a trading expert, where you can give expert tips and opinions online via your website, your blog, your YouTube channel, or the other forms of social media. Or you can be a software developer, where you can develop applications using the Deriv application programming interface, and you earn 5% of that. Or you can be a community manager with a big online following. You're the people who can sign up for Deriv Partner Program. I know my YouTuber friends, you can sign up for this even without reaching the 1,000 threshold for YouTube and the 4,000 watch hours. You can monetize your channel by giving people your affiliate links. All right, so the partner program is up to about 60,000 members currently, and about 47 million has been paid out since its inception. Okay, so let's get to sign up for the partner program. You simply come here, it says affiliate and IB log in, or if you have an account already, that's where you log in, sorry. But here you have to sign up. You click sign up. Once you click sign up, then it will take you to this one. So here you have to enter your username. So let's say my username is this one. And here you have to enter a password, a very strong password. Okay, let's say that my password, I re-enter my password. Here I have to enter my email address. Then here I have to click to subscribe form option. Then here you choose your country. Okay, let's say I'm based in Zimbabwe. Then you choose your plan. Let's say you choose revenue share. Then here you write your name, your last name. Here you choose your date of birth. You just play around the calendar to pick your date of birth. Then here you choose either an individual or as a company. So you see, if you click non-individual, then you have to fill in these options. If you fill individual, there's no need to pick company registration number and everything. All right, you have to enter your country dialing code. Then here you have to enter your WhatsApp number. Then here you have to enter your dialing code again. You have to enter your phone number. Then here you have to enter your address as it is. All right. And here you have to enter your town, your province, your zip code. You can check online your zip code if you don't know it. For Zimbabwe, that's 00263. Here you have to provide a direct link to where you plan to promote Deriv. Okay, so let's say I want to promote Deriv on www.deriv.com. I have to enter it here. If it's a Telegram channel, you enter the link here. If it's a WhatsApp group, you enter the link here. If it's a YouTube channel, you enter the link here. So find a way of extracting the respective link to your channel. All right. So let's say I want to promote it to my YouTube channel. So I will enter my YouTube channel here. Then you tell how you're gonna promote Deriv. Probably say I will teach people how to trade and share my affiliate links. The good thing with the Deriv affiliate program is they don't even check how many subscribers you have on YouTube, or they don't even at the moment, sorry, they don't even give a minimum to say we need this number of subscribers on YouTube, or we need these members to be following you on your community. All right, so that's the good thing about Deriv. You click sign up. Then here you have to check some errors if there are any. Right here it's saying there was an error with the submitter. Please review the fields and make correct. Remember to re-enter your password. All right, let me re-enter my password here. Here again. Right, so I have to check where I have done an error. The password must be between 6 and 30 characters long. Use a mixture of this. Okay. Okay. So let me try to sign up again. I'm still getting the same error message. Okay. So maybe I have to tweak my password a bit. Enter my password. I've tweaked it a bit. Sign up. Okay. All right, but that's how you go about signing up for the Deriv Partner Program. Since there's I'm entering a password that's not that much secure. All right, but once you've signed up, you can then log into your account. All right, let me log into one of my existing accounts. So you log in with your username. So make sure you do remember your username. Then you enter your password. Once you enter your details here, and once you log in, you'll be able to see these which are called hits. So this is your dashboard, and you can see here you are logged in as your username. Then that's where you see your commission. Then this is the language. Then here you can see we have your home, where you can see the impressions, the hits, the people who have clicked your link. These are newly funded accounts. And here you can see how many hits per this specific day or per this specific time. Here you can see your earnings. Then here you can see who exactly is clicking your links and where are they being referred from. All right, here you can see the respective IP addresses. Here's your payment summary to the left. Then once you sign up for this Deriv affiliate program, I advise you to contact Deriv and advise them, may you please change my make me an introducing broker, so that they can tweak your account a little bit and you become what is known an introducing broker, whereby you can receive your funds each and every day into your main account. Here it shows your number of customers, and sometimes it's not real time. You see last synced 4 hours ago. All right, then here you can see how well you are performing in terms of your reports, your registrations. You can choose this month or this year, how have I performed. You can download or you can display the report. And yeah, here then you can see how well you are performing in terms of your revenues, your commissions and everything. Okay, then comes how do you get to extract your affiliate link, the one that you share with others. All right, here you come where it says marketing. Then under marketing here, you can then choose a link. Let's say if I want a link from, let's say, how to set up a Deriv MetaTrader 5 account on the iOS app. Okay, so here you can come and say get link. Then these are media campaigns. Then link landing page. This is the page whereby the customer will be directed to. So you can copy this JavaScript code if you are a web developer and you see a way of embedding it on your website. Or you can, if you copy, this is your landing page or your affiliate link that you can share. Okay. So once you share this and someone views this video, then comes and signs up an account, they are your customer already. And once they start trading, you make account. So same applies to all the pieces of information here. So there are videos, there are banners. So once you get this link, right, let me show you by way of example. Let's say I come and I copy this link, let me paste it here, and you see where you take me. Right, it's taking me here. But as you can see here, it's recording affiliate, and this number, I think it's my tracking code. Then once I come here, once I read, and by the time I got to sign up for Deriv, once I click get trading and I sign up an account, I'm recorded as that person will be recorded as your affiliate, and that's how you make money as an affiliate. And please do remember that for you to for the affiliate program by Deriv, currently there is no cookie value, like the number of times or your expiry date for the cookies, the tracking code. It's a lifetime cookie. That's the biggest advantage. Someone sees your clicks or registers under you now, whenever in life they'll start trading, that's when you start making money. Unlike other programs whereby the cookie lifespan is something like 60 days. Once someone then makes a purchase or starts trading after 60 days, then you won't get paid. That's the beauty of Deriv. All right, so under my account here, you get to enter your details and your contact details, and these are the details that you filled in while you were signing up for an account. All right, here that's your finances. You can choose your payment instructions, that once I reach this much, I have to make sure that my funds are deposited into this account. Then here you can see your commission report, how well you are performing in terms of the finances. That's my graph, and that's my performance for October 2022. Here I'm getting paid daily for my IB channel. As I told you, IBs or introducing brokers, they are paid each and every day, and the money is deposited into your MetaTrader, into your into your real account rather. So you can log into MetaTrader and you can see your earnings. All right, guys. Enough for today. I'll do another video explaining the Deriv affiliate program on its own and the dashboard and how you can maneuver through. But basically, that's how you go about it, and you can even choose support here. You can contact support and you can get assisted. All right, thank you so much for your time, and thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up and remember to share with friends and family. Goodbye for now.